This brand is from Nordyne, which is a subsidiary of Nortech Global HVAC. The units are available through their dealer network in the USA and Canada but are made in Mexico. All of the units feature louvered panel construction to protect the coil. Although the guarantee on the units is very good and includes their Comfort Pledge guarantee, which provides for unit replacement if the compressor fails during the warranty period, it is not as good as some of the other brands. The FSH1B is a basic model with a swept wing fan for enhanced sound control and all aluminum coil construction to prevent corrosion. They have a 15 SEER efficiency and use micro-channel construction, which enables a more compact unit. The FSH1BF models are premium units with 2 stages of heating/cooling with state-of-the-art CoreSense onboard compressor protection. The units have a compressor blanket and swept wing fan for noise control. The FSH1BG models are ultimate units with state-of-the-art compressor technology and the ability to communicate with the rest of the home's heating and cooling systems. They are very quiet during operation as the noise level in low speed is less than that of normal conversations.